Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Trello login issues, account, and permission errors step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection by opening another secure website and confirming it loads normally. Next, confirm Trello's service status by visiting Status, Atlassian.com and checking for any active incidents. Then, make sure you are using the correct Trello login page by typing Trello.com directly into your browser. After that, verify you are signing in with the correct method, because Google, Microsoft, Apple, and email logins are not interchangeable. Now, if you forgot your password, click Log In, choose Forgot Password, and reset it using the email address linked to your Trello account. If the reset email does not arrive, check your spam and promotions folders and search for messages from Atlassian or Trello. Next, confirm you are using the correct email address by checking any past Trello invitation emails you received. Then, try signing in using a private or incognito window to rule out cached sessions and stored cookies. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies for Trello, Common ID, Atlassian.com, then restart the browser. Next, disable browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, and password managers. Then, try a different browser such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari to isolate a browser-specific issue. Now, if you are on a corporate network, switch to a personal connection or mobile hotspot to test firewall or proxy restrictions. Next, check your device date and time settings, because incorrect time can break secure sign-in tokens. Then, if you see an account not found or incorrect email message, confirm you are not accidentally using a different Atlassian account. After that, if you use single sign-on, contact your organization's IT admin to confirm your SSO access is still active. Next, if you see you don't have permission on a board, confirm you are logged into the same account that received the board invite. Then, open your email and search for the board invitation. Click the invite link and accept it while logged in. After that, ask the board admin to re-invite your correct email address if the invite was sent to the wrong account. Next, if you were removed from a workspace, request the workspace admin to add you back with the right role and permissions. Then, if you recently changed your email in Atlassian, log out everywhere and log back in to refresh permissions. Now, in Trello, check which account you are using by clicking your profile icon and confirming the email and account settings. Next, if you belong to multiple workspaces, switch workspaces and confirm you are viewing the correct one for that board. Then, if you cannot join due to license or seat limits, ask the workspace admin to free a seat or upgrade the plan. After that, if you see a CAPTCHA or verification loop, clear cookies again and disable VPN or aggressive privacy settings. Next, on mobile, update the Trello app, force close it, and sign in again to refresh authentication tokens. Then, if login still fails, try logging in on a desktop browser, because it provides clearer error messages. After that, collect the exact error text, take a screenshot, and contact Atlassian support with your email and steps you tried. Finally, once access is restored, enable a password manager and verify recovery options to prevent future lockouts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.